Hello once again. Continuing on in our series focusing on Roger microphones for hearing aids, we are going to be covering the Roger Table Mic 2, a highly adaptive and versatile supporting microphone used for streaming audio to your hearing aids when attending a meeting or entering a group environment where voices can be heard in multiple directions.
Before we begin, as always, if you enjoy our content and wish to find out more about Eardeals and stay updated on what's next from us, please feel free to leave a like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon below to stay notified when we release our next video. Feel free to also comment below, as we greatly appreciate all the feedback given, so we can continue to improve upon our content moving into the future. Thank you, and we hope you enjoy this video.
The Roger Table Mic 2 is a wireless supporting microphone used by wearers when attending meetings or entering large group environments. It is best utilized when you place it on a table surrounded by a group of speakers. When placed down, it has the ability to automatically detect and stream audio of a speaker in your environment at a range of up to 20 meters from your person. This is thanks to the built-in microphone system inside the Table Mic 2 and what is known as multi-beam technology. Designed by Phonak, multi-beam technology is a built-in system that utilizes multiple microphones inside the Table Mic 2 that can generate beams of audio in 6 different directions surrounding it. When someone speaks, the system will be able to detect and stream audio from the respected microphone in that speaker's location. Should another speak in a different direction, the microphones will then be able to automatically detect and switch over to that speaker's direction without needing any manual adjustments. Moving on, the Table Mic 2 also comes with a remote control used to increase or decrease the audio range of the microphones inside the table mic, along with the ability to mute or unmute audio. Continuing on, you can use the table mic as a third-party accessory for streaming audio from other devices, such as your mobile phone, tablet, or even your laptop. Finally, you can combine the Table Mic 2 with up to 10 other Roger microphones to increase your hearing output. Some of these can include the Roger Select or the Roger On. You can even combine these accessories in different scenarios. A good example of this is with the use of a Roger On microphone, where if you are attending a meeting, through a simple wireless connection, you can have a speaker wear the Roger On their shirt or lapel. You can then place the table mic on the table surrounding yourself and various members of your group. The result of this is that you will now be able to listen to audio being streamed from the speaker wearing the Roger On, while the Table Mic 2 is simultaneously detecting and streaming audio from various members of your group from its position. To begin setting up the Table Mic 2 for use, first, you must plug the USB power cord into the Table Mic 2 itself, with the opposite end into a power outlet to charge the microphone. Charging will take up to 4 hours to reach 100%, and when fully charged, the microphone will give you a total of 16 hours of battery life. Along with using the power cord to charge a single Table Mic 2, should you need to charge 2 Roger table mics, included with the Roger table mic is an additional split micro USB cord, which will allow you to charge both sets of microphones from a single power source. To activate the microphone, this is done by simply pressing the small button at the front. A small LED light on the base of the microphone will now shine green, indicating it has reached 100% charge, ready for use. This LED light will shine various colors to indicate how much power usage you have remaining before requiring to charge. Currently, it is at green. Should the battery now change its color to orange, this will indicate it has reached 50%. Should it change again to red, this will indicate the microphone has reached 20% charge and will require charging. Now that the table mic is active, the next step you must take is to pair your hearing aids to the table mic 2. To do this, you must ensure your hearing aids have the required Roger receivers installed to successfully pair them to the microphone. If you are unsure if your hearing aids have these receivers, we recommend you see your clinician before making a purchase, as they will provide the best advice and support for installing them and be able to help you pair them to the microphone. If you already have the Roger receivers installed in your hearing aids and wish to manually pair them, you can achieve this by holding the Roger Table Mic 2 roughly 10 centimeters away from your hearing aids and press the small connect button on the back. The indicator light on the base will begin to shine a series of blue lights indicating it has now entered pairing mode. If the pairing process is successful, the LED light will shine green every 2 seconds. If the pairing process is unsuccessful due to the receiver not being detected or is incompatible, the LED light will shine bright red. Finally, should you need to disconnect the Table Mic 2 from your hearing aids or any other additional microphones, this can be achieved by simply pressing the connect button once again. Now that you have set up the Roger Table Mic 2 ready for use, place the microphone on a table to begin detecting and streaming voices surrounding you. To achieve the best results, you should place the microphone in the center of a group. As we have stated earlier in the video, the Roger Table Mic 2 uses multi-beam technology that incorporates multiple built-in microphones to emit different beams of audio in 6 different directions. And upon detecting a speaker, the system can switch over to that speaker's location. If at any point you need to mute streaming, you can do this by simply tapping the power button or by pressing the mute button on the remote control supplied. And the LED light at the base will now shine bright violet. The remote control supplied can also be used to increase or decrease the range of audio surrounding the Table Mic 2, should you require. This is done by pressing one of the 2 buttons below the mute buttons on the remote control. If you need to reset the audio to its default setting, you can do this by pressing and holding the power button and connect buttons together for 2 seconds. To use the Table Mic 2 to stream audio from your laptop, mobile phone, or other audio device, this can be done by plugging in the supplied auxiliary cord into the back of the table mic, with the opposite end into the audio device. When you plug in the auxiliary cord, the Table Mic 2 will now mute its microphones accordingly, so only the audio from the device will now be streamed. Wrapping up, to use multiple Roger microphones with the Table Mic 2. As an example, if you wish to use 2 Roger table mics together, you can achieve this by activating both sets of microphones you wish to pair, and then hold them roughly 10 centimeters from your main Roger table mic. You then press the connect button on the back to begin pairing. When you are successfully paired, the LED light on the base of the microphones will now shine green, and you can now stream audio from both microphones simultaneously. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to find out more about us at Eardeals, please feel free to check out our website, linked in the description below or on screen. If you wish to keep updated on when we release the next installment in our Roger microphone series, please feel free to subscribe down below, leave a like, and don't forget to comment, as we greatly appreciate all the feedback you give. Thank you and have a nice day.